Hi there and welcome to TechFlower and welcome to my Tesla Model Y. There is quite a lot of storage in my Tesla Model Y, but there is never too much storage. That's why I'm really happy that EvBase sent me some storage containers to install in my car. So let's check out what we have in the box and install these storage containers. Of course, I have my trusty unboxing knife to open the box up. So let's start by looking at the box. It's just a normal cardboard box with some EvBase tape on it. Nothing specific to see here. So let's use my knife and cut the tape. Like this. Now we should be able to open the box. Let's see what we got. Right. We see some black storage containers. Let's lift it out of the box. Let's just take it all out of the box first and see how this looks. So these are just some things to keep it stable in the box. So let's see. So we have these containers here. These are containers, if I am correct, that go under your seat. So there is plenty of space under the seats. So it's nice to have some more storage where you can keep some stuff under the seats. And I actually got two of those because there are two front seats. So that's really good. Then we have this small container here. And this one actually is a secret compartment to put under the lid here. I'm not sure if you see it, but there is some space here, and this one fits here. So there is some tape on the sides here that you'll peel off so it will stay in place. And then when it's in place, you can open it like this, and it's kind of a secret compartment. Really nice. And the last one here, I think is a tray under the display, if I'm not mistaken. It either goes under the display or simply above the display. So I'm kind of going for the route that this is for above the display. You get some extra storage behind the display. So these were all the storage containers in the box. So let's install them and see how they work. So let's start with the secret compartment under the armrest. On the secret compartment we have three places where we have double-sided tape to secure it under the armrest. So let's remove the plastic on the double-sided tape. First one out. Second one. And the last one. And of course there's only one way this could go. We have the form of the secret compartment. It's like this. So simply place it in here and press it to the sides and down here. So the sticky parts are touching the sides and the bottom here. So just hold it for a few seconds and let it sit. And when this has cured properly, you can easily open this one, and here you can maybe keep your credit cards or wallet or something, and it's quite hidden down here in the armrest. So I think this is cured enough. So if I close it, this secret compartment is hidden and I can easily access it just under here. Really nice. So the next one is the storage compartment behind the screen. It's a little bit awkward to record it, but I hope you can see it well enough. So on the underside of this storage compartment we have a double-sided tape as well. But I don't know if we actually need it, because how it will be installed. You see that we have a wider part up here, and that part is turning to the display, going down to the groove down here. So we have to turn this around, and we first install the smaller part and then push the bigger part down. It will go a little bit side to side, but I'm not sure it will move a lot. I'm not going to use the double-sided tape, but if you feel like it's needed, then please do. So I'll show you a little bit better how it looks here behind. You see that the wider part goes down here, and it's quite stable. It won't go up, and this smaller part goes under here. As I showed you, it can slide to left and right, but I don't think it will be a problem. And the cool part, in this little square here, you have a magnet. So if you have car keys or something, of course you don't have car keys in your Tesla, but if you have something that a magnet can catch on to, then you can put those items here and those items should stay in place. But this spot here could maybe be a perfect place for your phone if you don't want to have it on the charger. So really nice, kind of hidden behind the display. And lastly, it's these under-seat storage containers. And you see that I have some floor mats here, but that's fine. They still fit under the seat, and as you can see, they almost are hidden. So you simply drag them out, put what you need into the storage container, and just hide them under the seat like this. Really nice. Let me give you a little bit of a closer look. It's under here, and you simply drag it out, and it can store quite a lot of things. And then you just put it back in, and you almost don't see it. So let's install it on the passenger side as well. On the passenger side, it's the same thing. Don't mind the dirty floor mats. You simply take the storage container and put it under the seat like this. You will see it a little bit more on this side because the seat is a little bit further back, but that's okay. And then when you need some stuff, you simply drag it out and put it back in. I'll give you a little bit of a closer look here. And even though I have the floor mats here, this storage container fits very well under here. And of course can store a lot of things and keep them away. For the final overview, we have the storage container under the passenger seat. We have the storage container or shelf behind the display. We have the secret compartment under the armrest, which opens like this, has plenty of space for a wallet or your money or credit cards. And then lastly, the storage compartment under the driver's seat. So this was the unboxing and installation of the storage containers from EvBase. I actually really like all of them. The storage behind the screen, it's kind of hidden because you don't see it while driving, and I guess while in the passenger seat you won't see it either, and you have this little magnet there to store things that can rattle around. And also the storage containers under the seats. The space there is rarely used, so having a storage container there that you can store some stuff is really nice. And then the best part is the secret compartment under the armrest, storing some valuables that you don't want others to see. So EvBase has some more storage containers, for example for the center console and other places in the car. So please check evbase.com, and if you want any of these exact storage containers, I will have a link to them in the video description. And please, before you do the checkout, use my discount code TechBlower, just the name of the channel, and you will get some generous discount at checkout. And if you like this video, please check out my other content on my channel, and please consider subscribing, because it really helps my channel grow. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.